Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to create another wallet on Trust Wallet, then it's very simple. You just need to follow the steps on the video. First, you just need to open the Trust Wallet application. Now enter the passcode that you have set for your account security. Now you just need to tap on the account name with the drop down icon here, and here you'll find all the wallets in this pop-up tab. You'll find all the wallet listed here. So if you want to create another wallet or you want to use multiple wallet on the Trust Wallet, then you can just tap on this plus icon here, and from here you'll find the create new wallet option, or you can just add an existing wallet. If you have created a wallet already in past and you want to add that into this list or this account, then you can just tap on this add existing wallet and enter the existed wallet credentials like the passcode, the email address and other credentials to add the existing wallet. Or you can just create a new wallet. Let me show you. You can just tap on create new wallet. Now you can go with secret phrase or the Swift. So I prefer that this recommended option, secret phrase. You just need to tap on create icon here and it will create a new account easily. You can see here is 2 accounts here. So you can just switch between them by tap on that accounts. You can just tap on this drop down again and you can just tap on among this account to switch between all these accounts here. So that's how you can just add another wallet on Trust Wallet. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.